Welcome back to the second part of our video series, Cozy Small Living Room Design Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we continue our journey to transform your small living room into a cozy and inviting space. We delve deeper into the world of interior design, focusing on maximizing space, enhancing aesthetics, and promoting comfort. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different style, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you another more than 30 tips and tricks for creating a cozy living room. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, let's delve into the delightful detail of this charming small living room. A small and cozy living room that is elegantly furnished and well lit, a perfect blend of style and comfort. The room features a large, comfortable gray sofa in the center, adorned with various cushions. In front of the sofa is a round wooden coffee table with candles providing ambient lighting. Two hanging lights provide additional illumination, casting soft glows around the room. Large windows allow for natural light to filter in, revealing an outdoor setting. A textured rug lies beneath the coffee table and sofa, adding to the coziness of the space. The large windows reveal an evening view of other buildings surrounded by trees, adding a touch of nature to the room. Another charming small living room with bright and airy ambience. Here are some key features. The room is adorned with contemporary furniture, including a gray sofa, adorned with green cushions, a wooden coffee table, and a stylish wooden chair. A wooden bookshelf with various compartments holds books, a vase with flowers and other decorative items, adding a personal touch to the room. Outside the windows, there is a balcony area with chairs for outdoor seating surrounded by lush greenery, providing a serene view. The small living room from image exudes a modern and inviting vibe with a well thought out arrangement. The room features a plush white sofa adorned with various throw pillows against the wall. Brown leather armchairs and a round ottoman provide additional seating. A small round coffee table holds decorative items and it's surrounded by a round area rug. The room is brightened by ample natural light streaming in through large windows with black frames. There is an artwork on the wall adding an artistic touch to the room. Indoor plants are scattered around, adding a touch of greenery and life to the interior. Let's step now into another small but cozy and stylish living room with a modern aesthetic. The room is well lit with natural light streaming in through a large window that spans almost the entire wall. A plush white sofa adorned with dark blue-gray cushions is placed against the wall. In front of the sofa there is a round wooden coffee table. To the left of the sofa, there is a modern dark blue-gray armchair with a small side table holding decorative items. A thick gray rug covered the floor under the coffee table and sofa area, adding textures and warmth to the space. On one side of the room, there is a sleek wooden media console with decorative items on top and a flat screen TV mounted above it on the wall. An indoor plant is one corner adds a touch greenery. An abstract circular live artwork hangs on another wall, complementing the contemporary setting. The last presented design idea is this small apartment with cozy living room, tastefully decorated. The room features a large, comfortable white sofa with a round black pillow, a stylish wooden chair with a woven set. It's placed near the sofa. A round black coffee table sits on top of a large circular youth rug, holding a vase with fresh flowers and books. The wall behind the sofa is decorated with modern artwork and has mounted shelves holding various decorative items. A flat screen TV is mounted on the opposite wall above a long wooden console. Potted plants add greenery and liveliness to the room. The open concept design reveals a dining area in the background featuring a modern table surrounded by chairs under pendant lighting. Thank you for joining us in the second part of our cozy small living room design tips and tricks video series. We've delved into creating warm and inviting spaces even when dealing with compact rooms. Now, as we wrap up, let's recap the essential takeaways. Color palette. Opt for light and airy color schemes. White, pastel, and pale shade can make your room feel more spacious and welcoming. Remember, a well-chosen color palette sets the tone for coziness. Rugs. Choose the right size rug. Going too small can make the room feel cramped. A well-fitted rug anchors the sitting area and adds warmth underfoot. Greenery. Introduce indoor plants or fresh flowers. They not only purify the air but also infuse life and vibrancy into your cozy oasis. Textures. Layer textures. Think soft throws, plush cushions, and tactile fabrics. This adds depth and comfort to your small living room. Remember, it's not about the size of your space, it's about how you embrace it. Whether you are cuddling up with a book, hosting friends, or simply enjoying a quiet evening, let your small living room be your snug retreat. If you missed the first part of our series, be sure to catch up. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our design tips and tricks. Until next time, stay cozy. Bye.